Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For all my new friends and visitors, thank you for coming. How you guys are doing? Thank you for being here. Today I'm gonna make this nice snack for you guys. We call it in my country Atchomon, or Croquette in French. So it's almost like chin chin, but the bigger version. So here are all my ingredients. I have eggs, I have melted butter, I have water, I have nutmeg, sugar, baking powder, salt, and my flour to mix with. So I'm gonna add first all my dry ingredients, and I will follow this with the wet one, which are the butter, water, and the eggs. So guys, just lay back and watch this. Enjoy. For all my new visitor and new friend, don't forget, if you like what you are watching, don't forget to smash on my subscriber button, guys. Thank you for being here. Just watch carefully. Now I'm adding the white ingredient. I'll be mixing them till I got this firm pastry. And after the firm pastry, I'll go ahead and cut them just with my fingers, with my hand, to make this round ball and go ahead and fry them. So here are my ball that I made from my pastry. I'm going to go ahead and fry them on medium low heat, and you have to watch out, don't burn them. You do this, you turn them, flip them over till you get that nice and brown golden color, and that will be ready. So friends, as you can see, my Atchomon is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your friend. And see you next time. Thank you. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.